Torque on a bar magnet placed in a uniform magnetic field. So let us consider this is my uniform magnetic field. The magnetic lines are equally spaced, that means it is uniform magnetic field. Let us consider this is the bar magnet. It makes an angle, its length basically makes an angle theta with the direction of the magnetic field. If I consider this is the north pole of the magnet and this is the south pole of the magnet, and if I consider that is the pole strength of the magnet, is M simply. Then this north pole try to align itself in the direction of the magnetic field. Then the force acting on this north pole will be MB and it is towards the direction of the magnetic field. While the south pole try to align in that direction, such that north pole in the direction of the magnetic field, south pole in the opposite direction of the magnetic field. Here if I just denote from south to north, which is basically denoted as the magnetic length 12. Magnetic length is 12. Now just think, two equal and opposite forces acting on this bar magnet, but they are separated by a distance. If I consider this is the O, that is the neutral point of the magnet, so with respect to it, it also create a moment of force, it also create a moment of force in that direction. The moment of force in that direction will be along this, that is we can say along clockwise. Here also the moment of force is also clockwise. So a torque will generate. What is the torque? The torque tau can be denoted as the value of any of these forces, that is MB, both are equal. So I am writing down MB here from the definition of the torque, magnitude of any of these two equal forces and the perpendicular separation between them. If I say it is 12, then it will be also theta. If it is theta, then it will be also theta. If it is theta, then these directions, then the separation between the line of action of the two forces is simply 2L sin theta. Perpendicular distance between the line of action of the two forces. So it is simply 2L sin theta. So it becomes M into 2L into B sin theta. What is the magnitude of the magnetic moment? That is capital M, which is noted by capital M. Pole strength into magnetic length, that is 12. So here I can replace this thing, that is capital M into B into sin theta. So this is the expression of the torque, scalar expression. But if I want to understand what is the vector expression, then torque, that is the tau vector, should be equal to M cross B vector. The magnetic moment in which direction? That is from south to north. We can say the magnetic moment is from here to here, that is the direction of magnetic moment. I am just denoting here. This is the direction of the magnetic moment. This will be the direction of the magnetic field, and it is the theta. So M cross B, just see the clockwise torque arises. M cross B. Okay. So tau vector equal to M cross V vector. This is the expressions of the torque acting on it. And if theta is equal to 0 degree, if this magnet is aligned itself in the directions of the magnetic field, then obviously the torque is 0. By placing theta also 0, we can get this thing. If theta equal to 90 degree, then what will be it? Then the magnet is placed just like this. It will have to align itself in that direction. So at that time the torque is maximum, that is MB. So this is the torque acting on a bar magnet if it is placed in an uniform magnetic field. Here the magnet try to align itself in the direction of the magnetic field. Thank you all of you.